Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make blue roll cake in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. To make a roll cake, you need to have the roll cake recipe that you can buy from Doris Fortune Store. You can find Doris during the rainy or snowy condition. Then you can also find her during the rainbow event. And once you have the recipe, you can go to your stove and you're going to select the original roll cake recipe. And I'm going to replace the sugar with the blue sugar like this. And for the sugar guys, you can also buy it from Doris. So this is a special sugar that we can buy from Doris only. Okay, and this is my first time making the blue roll cake, so I'm using the original roll cake. Once you unlock the blue roll cake, you will get the recipe, so you can use the recipe next time you make the blue roll cake. Okay, and now it's still loading, and don't forget to adjust the heat level while you're cooking to avoid the bizarre food. Okay, it's almost done. And oops. Okay, and as you can see guys, I got my first blue roll cake. And next time, if you want to cook this roll cake, you can use the blue roll cake recipe. Okay guys, and that's how we can make blue roll cake in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!